Hello, students. This is Dr. Henry, and I'm your instructor for OAD 125 Word Processing. This week we are covering Word Module 4. And so this is just a quick tips video to let you know about some things you may want to focus on. Okay, for this week, we are learning to create a document that has multiple pages. So a multiple page document, it could be a report or an outline for a magazine or newsletter. So in business, there may be several reasons why you have to create a document that has multiple pages. This week you're going to do a business plan document for a personal training company. And so this is what Module 4's project looks like. But what I wanted to remind you all about is, of course, for each module, we have training tutorials. However, as we go from week to week to week, everything you learned in the previous modules may be captured in the new module. So, for example, up until this point, you should have done the module 1, 2, and 3 training tutorials, and each one you learn different things. And so, all of that information and knowledge should be coming with you as you come to the module 4. And remember, a module is just like a chapter. So, I'm just trying to reiterate that things that we've learned so far, you may see them in project steps in Module 4, even though they may have been covered in Module 1, 2, or 3. Don't forget those things. Bring that knowledge with you to each new project. So as we go forward, keep that in mind. Another thing I want to point out for Module 4 is that in the training tutorial, you will have several ways to sort or several ways that the systems show you to sort. So I have the Word Module 4 training tutorial open, and I'm going to go to the menu. And I want to quickly focus on the ways to sort. And so I think I skipped one. There is, or in this particular chapter, it talks about sorting a paragraph, and then it also talks about sorting a table column or multiple table columns. And I was trying to show them. I may have skipped it. I think I did. I might have went too fast, but they are all in here. I'm gonna find them while we're on this video. But there's a training tutorial that talks about sorting paragraphs. And I thought it was towards the beginning. I should have wrote the numbers down, but I thought I could just easily scroll to it. Okay, so training tutorial task number 26 talks about sorting paragraphs. And so when you go to this one, it's going to show you how to sort paragraphs, but there are two other sort methods shown. So number 33 and 34, they talk about sorting a table on multiple columns. So if you want to sort based on, 2 or 3 columns, and then in number 34, it talks about if you only need to sort a table on one column. So I just wanted to call your attention to these different ways to sort because they are going to be in our project for this week. And those are the quick tips that I have for Word Module 4. Thanks for watching. Bye.